We are pleased to announce the Sir Robert Academy TV educational program. This program is presented by Sir Robert, a dedicated teacher who teaches business studies and literature in English with a very high level of excellence. His teaching methods iron. We warmly invite students, parents, and the community to follow the Sir Robert educational program.
Hello everyone, welcome to Sudan. My name is Adam, I'm from Sudan. I go to YouTube and watch different kind of videos. Sir Robert Academy TV is my favorite channel that I always go and watch videos. Please, people in the other world, go to YouTube and watch what they are doing, but don't forget after watching, comment, share and like. So Sir Robert Academy TV, I'm sending you my message to you from Sudan. Thank you.
After we have looked at the importance of production, now let us continue as we look at the factors of production. For production to take place, there have to be some factors. If those factors are not there, production will not take place completely. Therefore, what are the factors of production? Number one, factor of production, number one. Hadija Saidi.
Same to support which factor of production. Number one is land.
Land, thank you. Number two is save time. Number two is save time. Yes,
Factor number two is labor.
Labor? Do we all agree? Yes. Okay, labor. Number three. Capital. Number four. Do we have number four? But where are the boys? What is on the other man? Entrepreneurship. Okay. These are the factors. Do we have any other? No. These are the factors of production. Now, number one, we have land. What is land? Who can define for us land? Oh, this is Hamisa. Okay, Hamisa.
Thank you, sir. Land refer to all natural resources, money available to humankind by nature. Refers to what? To all natural resources, according to Hamisa, resources made available. Is it like that? Yes. Okay. Made available where? For humankind. Yes. Okay. To humankind. To human what? Kind. To humankind. Oh, by nature. Yes. Thank you. By nature. You look knowledgeable. By nature. Okay. When we say land, it refers to all natural resources made available to humankind by nature. All natural resources. When we talk of natural resources, we are looking at the soil, we are looking at the mineral, we are looking at water, we are looking at trees. Those are the natural resources made available to humankind by nature. When we say by nature, we are meaning that no human being made them. They were created by the Almighty God. That is what we say made available to humankind by nature.
Land has got its features. Land has got its features. Features of land. Feature number one, we say, feature number one, very star.
Thank you, sir, for this chance. Feature number one, it is fundamental factor of production.
Fundamental factor of production. Fundamental factor of what? Of what? Now, Feliska said it is a fundamental factor of production. Fundamental factor means that it carries all of the activities that take process during production on it. This means that there is no production without land. If you are having land, that land will allow you to have production, because whatever you have to do, or whatever you have to produce, it has to be produced on land. That's why Felisa said it is a fundamental factor of number two, feature number two. That is Saida Juma.
Number two is lack mobility.
It lacks mobility. Thank you very much. It lacks mobility. It lacks mobility. It lacks mobility because Jennifer, I'm watching you from the distance. Okay. It lacks mobility. This means that land cannot be carried and transported from one place to another. That's why we say it lacks mobility. It is there constant. You cannot shift from Mwanza to Dar es Salaam or from Dar es Salaam to Kigoma and you shift to your land. No, you cannot. If you are shifting, you leave it there. Are we together? Yes. Do we have number three? Number three. I'm looking. Eliasi.
Thank you, sir. Future number two. Number three.
Future, not in future.
Future is a gift, natural, since no human can create it.
It is a gift of what? Of nature. It is a gift of nature since no human can create it. It was created by the Almighty God. We all found it here and we will leave it here. So it is a gift of nature. We cannot create it. Are we together? Yes. Do we have any other? Yes. Do we have any other? Yes. Okay. Number four. Margaret Andrew.
Features number four is being supplied.
It is fixed in what? Fixed in supply. It is fixed in supply. This means that the amount of land available cannot be increased or reduced. It is constant, fixed. You cannot reduce it and you cannot increase it. Are we together? Yes. Number five. We're saving time. Amoni. It is heterogeneous. Ammonia said it is heterogeneous. Are we together? Yes. Now, when we say heterogeneous, we are meaning that the plots of land vary in fertility. Are we together? Yes. The plots of land vary in fertility. That's why we say it is heterogeneous. Do we have any other? No. Hey, Margaret, Modesta.
Thank you, sir. Another feature of friends is it appreciates.
It appreciates. It appreciates. Appreciation means that it increases in value as days go on. So as the days go on, the land increases in value. Are we together?
Yes.
Thank you.